What if the whole tree just fell back?
Oh, shit. You just jinxed me with that bullshit. Bro, they might have said this shit go all the way, well, they said it go all the way to the train track.
We got a pike.
I know, I just continue though. Oh, hey. Cause this was the first man, I think we stopped. No, we stopped back there.
Yeah.
Ew. Come out.
Let me see that thing. That's a pipe.
Yeah. Oh. He tried to go up under or something.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Get right.
He need to tighten up his drag.
Yeah, he just taking it. I don't know how to do him.
All you gotta do is twist it.
Okay, I don't. So what it over with?
Nah, just twist the top. Hold your rod up so you won't put no slack in.
Where I twist?
Clockwise, I think. There you go. Hey,
I told them bitches break this shit.
they got them teeth, boy. Oh, I just had one, AJ. Yeah, must have been a little one. Oh yeah, so we finna do some serious walking. Oh, I know where they at. They at the grass patch, like a deer. First bass of the day. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, well, bye-bye. I was trying to show it to the camera. Probably a couple of them right here around this tree because he was cold. Like, it felt like he came out the refrigerator. Kill him. Oh.
He just don't like being cussed out. Now, it's like, bro, he's just trash basically right now. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
You gotta go get him.
Woo.
That motherfucker got hung up on everything.
Hey, he chunky though. He said you trying to eat, boy.
Bro, I be talking about.
Dang, got my my reel wet. All right. did he come off? I just missed 4 bites right here, man. What's going on? Literally, as soon as I cut the camera off, hooking to this little guy, but look at his face, bro. Something that took a chunk out of his face. Good luck, little man. So decent one. These fish are getting beat up over here. Look at this, man. Got a big gash right here. That's probably from a bird, but it looked fresh too. That like just happened to him. Well, that's the second fish I done fumbled today.
I ain't used to that damn heat no more either. Crazy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You double up.
I need to save all my energy for this damn walk because I'm not going nowhere else.
Well, he found his way back in there.
Y'all going deeper?
Huh?
Y'all going
Hell no, I'm done, bro. I'm probably finna just try to fish that corner if I can. I was finna sit there until y'all came back.
Bro, I was finna try to call y'all like, man, I ain't got no service.
Dude, I was finna stay right there and keep catching them little dinks until y'all came back.
That's it, bro. I'm done. We finna pull out. You doing dumb shit.
Little dinkster. Yep. Oh, snap. God damn. I know it's time to go in. That's why I don't like creek fishing right now. Alright, bro. Y'all be easy.
Hey, I'm about to die. Hurry up! Give me something to drink. Oh my God.
Alright, bro. Alright, keep it easy, bro.